All right, welcome back. Well, over the years, there's been a tremendous expansion when it comes to cosmetic surgery. Doctors from other areas of the medical field are getting into such procedures, and according to the experts, that has led to dermatologists and plastic surgeons fixing botched procedures. So, how can you make sure you're getting a desired procedure done properly? And here to help us with those answers are Francis and Colleen Acunzo, the founders of Akara Partners in Brantford. Thank you both for being here this morning. Good morning. So a lot to get to. The first one, you're asking people to request before and after pictures. Why is that?
We want our clients that are going for these procedures to actually manage their own expectations as to what they should expect to achieve.
The other thing too is that you want to know that the before and afters that you're seeing have actually been performed by the physician
exactly.
that you're meeting with.
It's not, they're not showing you pictures that came from God only knows where. Right,
yes.
exactly.
Yes.
Now, why is it that so many other doctors in the medical field are sort of getting into this arena now? I mean, because I was shocked to hear that when I was, researching for the segment.
It comes down to dwindling insurance reimbursements.
Right.
And these are cash-based practices, which are attractive. But our concern is, you want somebody who's not doing it for the money. You want somebody who does it because they're passionate.
Exactly.
They're excited about it. The money will follow.
Right.
But it's the passion, the excitement, the drive. That's what you've got to look for.
And when they're into it, obviously the work that they're going to do is going to be much better.
And it reflects in
the
those
end.
before and afters we're talking about.
Exactly. So the before and afters. The other one, tour the facility.
Interesting. I always say, I'm not going to eat in a dirty restaurant.
Right.
So we're looking for clean, professional. You get an opportunity to meet the team. Colleen always thinks this is important, where you
want to meet the staff.
Yeah.
Exactly. And let's face it, with anything in life, you can tell by your gut if something's good or not. So going in there, I would imagine a person who wants to have a procedure done would sort of get a good feeling and say, okay, this is the right fit for me.
That's exactly it.
All right,
Yes.
very good. The third thing, ask why certain procedures are being recommended versus others.
There's options. And we talk about, before even going into a consultation, know what the options are. Colleen's big on this.
Do your research.
Right.
Make sure you know that there are options, as Fran said, for surgical or non-surgical. Downtime or no downtime.
Because I'd imagine sometimes people will just take for face value what the doctor's telling them, but if they come in sort of armed with information, they can sort of recommend things or sort of kind of maybe steer it in a direction the doctor wasn't initially going.
Exactly. Be an educated consumer.
Got it.
When it comes to cosmetic procedures.
So we can't emphasize that enough. The other thing, know the doctor and look at reviews, see if the license is in good standing. I mean, this is across the board with any doctor, basically.
It is. I always laugh because before we take a trip, Colleen is online looking at TripAdvisor and looking at reviews.
Right, yeah.
Okay, so why wouldn't you do the same?
Well, we do it for so many aspects of our lives, and here you have someone who's going to could be doing something too that, obviously on your face, or it's something that you're going to have to walk around with.
Yes,
So,
yes.
all right. And obviously, if someone sees something, it should be as a red flag. What are some things maybe that they should say, I'm a little, leery of this, if reading any reviews?
Oh, on reviews, here's the concern. There's going to be some negative reviews, potentially.
Right.
You want them to be balanced by many positive reviews, though.
Got it.
So I wouldn't say it's so much as seeing something to be concerned about, it's seeing multiple negative reviews.
Well, because let's face it, you can't make everyone happy. So if there's 45 good reviews and one bad one, that's still something to consider, that it's a good choice.
Most definitely.
All right, very good. The other one, second opinions. We hear about these all the time. Why is it so important in this case, especially if someone's getting a cosmetic procedure done?
You want to check with more than one doctor to see if they have another option available to you. So I would say a second opinion would give you those options.
Yeah, and this is not about price shopping.
Right.
You don't want to buy a cosmetic procedure because it's the cheapest in town. You want to buy it because it's the best. And when you go to more than one physician, you get a better education on the different cosmetic options that you have.
Right.
And you, again, make a better educated decision.
Getting a few opinions, then you can choose which one is best for you. And you kind of just hinted on this. Be cautious of deep discounts and daily deals. We see deals, as human beings, and we want to jump on them, but in this case, it could be a red flag.
Groupon, Living Social, deep discounting. A busy facility does not need to offer those deep discounts.
No, they may offer special offers, promotions, but they're not 50% off. It's not Groupon. Don't buy price. I said that earlier, but again, it's so important. Buy the right procedure for you from the right physician.
Got it. You know, we have 20 seconds left. You know, as I said in the intro, people are now seeing botched procedures, and really just doing your homework the first time around can avoid a lot of aggravation for the patient in the months to follow a procedure.
Most definitely. It really is about being an educated consumer and taking your time, doing your research, and finding a physician that provides a safe, healthy, and procedure that also helps you look good.
All right, very good. So doing your homework beforehand will get you the results you want afterwards. Thank you
All
both
the
for being
time.
here this morning. A lot of great
you.
information for people to keep in mind. And of course, if you would like more information, all you have to do is go to our website, WTNH.com, click the On Air tab, and pull down to the Good Morning Connecticut weekend section.